In this video lesson, let us understand the method of obtaining carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. RMgX is the general formula of Grignard reagent. MgX, that means alkyl magnesium halide is the general formula of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is treated with dry ice. What is dry ice? Carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is called dry ice. CO2 is its formula. Let me write the structure of carbon dioxide. C is linked with both the oxygen by means of double covalent bond. So this, when heated, what happens? They will form an adduct. This constituent and carbon dioxide, they both add up and they will form an adduct. So how will be the adduct form? Adduct is an addition compound. It is an intermediate compound and it is an unstable compound. It will not remain like that for long. It has to be then immediately subjected to the process of acid hydrolysis to obtain carboxylic acid. Let us see now. So R is linked with this C, which on one side is linked with double bond with oxygen, and then the other side this oxygen will be there, which will be linking with MgX. So therefore O, then MgX. So therefore we see that it has resulted in the formation of an adduct. Adduct is an addition compound that we obtain. Now how to obtain carboxylic acid from this? From here it is a very simple process. It has to be subjected to the process of acid hydrolysis. So HOH. Now what happens is that the H will take attachment with oxygen and this MgX will take attachment with OH. So we are going to obtain RCOOH. Along with this we have addition compound. I'll write it below. MgOH and then X. How will this be actually? For the one side of Mg it is going to be attached with OH and on the other side with halogen. So we obtain carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent by treating Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide. So this is a general reaction. Now let us understand this with an example. Now I will replace R with CH3 and Mg as it is and X with I. So what is the name of this compound going to be? Methyl magnesium iodide. What is the name of this compound? Methyl magnesium iodide. This is our Grignard reagent. It is treated with carbon dioxide, that is dry ice. First we will end up in the formation of the adduct. How will be the adduct? CH3 linked with C. On one side we double bond O as it is. On the other side the double bond gets converted into single bond and MgI will be taking an attachment. So this is our addition compound. Addition compound. So what we have to do for this? It has to be further subjected to the process of acid hydrolysis. Subjecting it to the process of hydrolysis. Now H takes an attachment here, OH with this. So what is that we are going to land up with? CH3 COOH, CH3 COOH, MgHI plus we obtain MgOH and then I. So this is the other product. What is the name of this compound? It is acetic acid. Acetic acid is its trivial nomenclature. What is IUPAC name of this compound? It is called ethanoic acid. It is called ethanoic acid. Now, this is with respect to an aliphatic chain. Say supposing instead of methyl group, if we take a phenyl group, everything will be same. Now I will make small change here only. It is going to be C6H5. Instead of CH3, it is going to be C6H5 MgI as it is. Or instead of this iodide, you can take any other halogen, maybe chloride, maybe bromide. Now let me just retain the same. Therefore, what will be the name of that compound? Phenyl magnesium iodide. Instead of methyl, it is going to be phenyl. When treated with carbon dioxide, instead of CH3 here, what is that we will see? C6H5 CO with double bond, CO with a single bond with Mgi. This upon hydrolysis, what is that we are going to obtain? C6H5COOH. The name of the compound would be benzoic acid or benzene carboxylic acid. So this would be the product we obtain as our carboxylic acid if we start with an aromatic magnesium iodide. That means aromatic compound of Grignard reagent. If we start this as our first starting material, then the product obtained will be aromatic carboxylic acid, namely benzene carboxylic acid or benzoic acid. Okay, in the next video lesson we will understand the few more left methods of obtaining carboxylic acid.